Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. I'm good. Okay. Holy shit. Woo, baby dude, the revolver's so fun. Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's just like it's like a one shot, one kill.
I'm not using the speed loader. Holy shit. I'm so bad at aiming, bro. I'm dead.
Oh, you died.
Oh, by the way, my character is basically KSK. I tried to make it look like
Who?
a KSK. My character.
What's a KSK?
German Special Force.
Oh, Special Commando Gruppen. That one. Something like that. Typical. You chose the fucking Germans over your own people, and now they have betrayed you.
Shut up. Hey, the Germans are far better.
Alright, I'm good. Come on then! Green to green, dude, let's
Fucking,
go!
that's fucking dumbasses, everyone.
We got stuck there. Oh! Oh!
Fucking, oh my god! Did I? Wow!
Yo, I missed that shot. Holy fuck.
Revolver gang. Let's go, Pine Man. Carry us.
Oh boy, you're so good. Navasha.
Okay, I'm on quickly!
Oh, reload, you fuck. Reload, you dumbass. Reload.
Is he out of bullets?
There we go. Fucking dumbass. This guy's anxiety inducing. Oh, what the hell? I got an M110 with no scope.
Cover me! I'm reloading!
Thank you for trigger this up, 27.
Wait! I'm loading!
Oh god. Oh, okay, here we go. Now we're talking. Now we're in business. I have an M1 Garand.
Good to go!
With a shit scope. Check your left, check your left. Oh, I almost shot you. One on the left. I'm gonna load, I'm gonna load. Hey! I fucking shot you! Die!
Probably just grazed him.
That's it, I'm gonna use this G3. Oh no, he's already dead.
Hold on!
Oh, that's so satisfying. I love the M1 Garand. Problem is, I now only have 16 rounds.
One there.
I think it's just you and me, man. Check. Clear. Going down the hallway to the right. Road Foxtrot. Clear. Check left. Watch out. Go, covering. Let me know when you're placed.
Clear,
Right,
clear,
over here,
clear.
cover me. There we go. Shoot and scoop.
You saw someone there?
Yeah, he dead. Wow, we didn't get that point.
Yeah, we're so slow.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Let's just
Keep
run, let's just
going.
run, let's just run.
Just fucking run for it.
Station, roger that. Bird is on its way to you.
We try to play this game realistic.
Why is it 80
Fucking
meters
broke.
away from us? What the fuck?
Can't you? Move.
Okay, yeah, we're here. Moving near.
Oh! Ah! Oh!
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Breach! Breach!
I can see through the smoke. Let's just move to the side.
Just run.
Oh fuck! Oh, I really like how they optimize the game.
What?
I like how they optimize the game.
Yeah, they did.
It's now 144 FPS for me. I love that.
Oh,
Hey,
what
you
the
won.
fuck?
You won. Well, you won. I died.
Oh, that was the first game. That was the first round of this game mode, which I actually survived. The finale. I mean, I always die at the finale.
Oh, I got 9 kills, bro.
36 kills, 3 none.
Look, I'm the lowest. 9 fucking kills. Ah, the revolver's so hard to use, bro. Oh! That came out behind me. Match is already completed. What?
Wow. Okay,
Wow.
they had no need for reinforcements.
Yo. They, what?
Alright,
Let's find another match.
let's try again. Let's
Let's
queue
find
something.
another match.